So, good day, ma'am. This is my visual arts portfolio po. And dito tayo sa second page. Then, andito yung table of contents niya. Statements. From module 1 to module 11. And process documentation. And here tayo. May artist statement. My creation showcase my imagination, artistic flair, and life experience. In this portfolio, I examined various techniques and styles including drawing, digital art, photography, and visual narrative. Every module enhanced my abilities and deepened my understanding of art elements and principles. You'll learn how to express emotions and ideas visually, not just through words but through images and composition. Some of my works show creativity and originality, while others focus on meaning and communication. This portfolio represents my growth as a student in visual arts. I realize I realize that art is not just about making something beautiful, but also about sharing a message and connecting with others. Overall, this experience helped me appreciate art more and develop my confidence in creating my own works. And here, Module 1, Visual Word Collage. This is my digital visual world collage. I combine different images to show creativity and ideas. And here's my Module 2 po, ma'am. Observational drawing, 7 elements here. And this is my Module 3, Abstract Composition. And this is Transformation Series. Shows a transformation of one images into three different styles. And this is my Filipino inspired pattern po. A design inspired by Filipino culture and traditional patterns. And here's my drawing painting artwork. And this is my digital poster. And this is my photo narrative. And sorry po ma'am. This is my photo narrative. A day in my life as an IT student. And here's my digital poster. Think first before you click. And here's my infographic. And here's my meme series po ma'am. And this is my process documentation. First draft is sketch. This is the first draft of my artwork, in which I began using pencil to outline the object and design the composition. Caption: Completed artwork. This is the finished product of my artwork, which features a cohesive composition with well-balanced colors and layout. Completed artwork. This is the finished product of my artwork, which features cohesive composition with well-balanced colors and layout. And that's all po ma'am. Thank you for listening and watching my video.